Are you looking to maximize your Google Ads performance with a simple strategy? Stick around because today we will uncover the power of single product ad group or SPAGs. Hi, I'm dawoodniazi and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will explore how single product ad group can help you to create highly targeted and effective Google Ads campaign. First, let's define what the SPAGs are. Single product ad group or SPAGs are the ad group in the Google Ads where each ad group is dedicated to one product or service. This allows for highly targeted ads that match specific search queries, making your ad more relevant and effective. So, why use SPAGs? Here are some main benefits. Increase relevancy. Your ads are closely matched to the specific products, making them more relevant to the searchers. Better quality score. Relevant ad can lead you to higher quality score, which can lower down your cost per click. Improve performance tracking. Easier to track and optimize the performance of individual product. Enhanced control. Greater control over ad copies, keywords, and bids for each product. Let's walk through setting up SPAGs.
So here you can see the Google Ads dashboard in front of you. If you want to create a new campaign, you have to click on the plus icon. Once you will click on the plus icon, you can see the two options: create a new campaign or load the campaign setting. So I want to create a new campaign from scratch, so I will select that button. Once you will click on that, it will redirect to the objective. So basically what the objective are, you have to tell Google that what you are going to create the campaign. Either it's for leads, it's for sale, website traffic, app promotion, or a local business, or if you don't want to tell anything to the Google, so you can go create the campaign without goal guidance. But as we are creating the SPAGs, so we will go with the sales. Once we will select that, it will show the option that either your conversion tracking is created or not. So if your purchase conversion is not created, so go ahead and create the purchase conversion first. So once you're done with that, so then we have to click on the continue. So in the next step, you can see the campaign style, that what type of campaign you want to create. Either it's search, PMX, display, shopping, video, or the dynamic campaign. So I will go with the shopping one. So once I have select that, it can show you to select the merchant center. That what the merchant center is, it's basically for the feed. If you have some e-commerce brand, you have to create a feed for that firstly. So I have two merchant center. I just created one for the test. I have created that. For now, in this merchant center, we don't have the product because it's just for test. So here you can see that the two option means if either you want to create the PMX campaign or the standard shopping campaign. I want to go with the standard shopping because let me give you an overview about this PMX campaign. Basically, the PMX campaign is automatic type of campaign, and the standard campaign is a manual type of campaign. We have more control means on the standard campaign other than the PMX campaign. So that's the reason I will go with the standard campaign. Once I have chosen that, I can redirect to the new page where I can have to put the campaign name, the bidding strategy, the budget, and everything. So this is for the test, so I can put the name test, and I just want to put the test SKU. So this is my campaign name. So now I have to choose a bidding strategy, and I will go with the manual CPC because I like it very much. So I will go with that. And now we have to put some budget. So for now we will put the $20. And here are some purity. So what the purity mean, if you have set up the multiple campaigns for one product group, means if you have for the different locations, so you can set the purities that either you want to show this campaign to the high purity, medium purity, or the low purity. But I will go with the low one, no issues, because I only have one campaign in my account. So here you have to select the location, and now you have to add the ad group name. So I will add the same. So here you have to put the bit that what CPC you want to set, what bit you want to set. So I will put 0.550. Let's create a campaign. It will take some time. So as we are done with the campaign and the ad group, now we have to select a single product in this ad group. As for now, we are going with all product, but as we are setting up SPAG, so we will go with a single product. So how we can do that? So as I move my cursor on all products, so you can see that the plus icon in front of the all products. So you have to click over there. Once you will click on that, you can see that it will redirect you on the new page where you can see the multiple options, the category, brand name, item ID, condition, product type, and everything, and the labels. But for that, I will go for the item ID. Once I will click on that, because as I told you before, this is my dummy account, so that is the reason I'm not able to see any product here. But if you will have the merchant center linked with your Google Ads, so you see the products and you just have to type your SKU over here, so you can find that product and select it. So let me show you how we can do that in the bulk. I will show you that. So let me put you my SKU. So I have put that. So I have put the SKU and I just need to confirm that. Yeah, I want to save that and I want to go with the same bidding. So now you can see that I have selected the product, one product, but the issue is this: everything also enabled. So for now we are going with all products too, and I only want to focus on one product. So what I will going to do, I will exclude that from our campaign. So by doing that, we will only focus on this one product. So this is how you will gonna set up a single product ad group.
Optimizing SPAGs. Optimization is the key to success with the SPAGs. Regularly monitoring your ad performance, metric like click-through rate, conversion rate, and quality score. Use this data too. Defining keywords, adjust bids, test ad copies, enhance landing page. Refining keywords. Add negative keyword to filter out the relevant traffic. Adjust bid. Optimize bidding based on the performance. Test ad copies. A/B test different ad copies to see which one is performing better. Enhanced landing page. Improve your landing page to boost your conversion. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Too broad keywords, ignoring negative keywords, neglecting optimization, poor landing page. Too broad keyword. Avoid using keywords that attract irrelevant traffic. Ignoring negative keywords. Regularly update your negative keyword list to exclude irrelevant searches. Neglecting optimization. Monitor and optimize your campaign for the best results. Landing page experience. Ensure that landing pages are relevant and the user-friendly. To recap, using single product ad group can significantly enhance your performance of the Google Ads by increasing relevance, improving quality score, and providing greater control. Follow these steps and tips to get more out of your SPAGs. If you found my video helpful, please hit the bell button, subscribe my channel for more tips, and leave your comments with your thoughts or questions. Thanks for watching.